Welcome to Pro English Skills. Today I'm going to talk about something very important, how to practice English alone at home. Many people think they need a teacher or a partner to improve their English, but that's not true. You can practice and improve English by yourself, and in this video, I will show you the best and easiest ways to do that. These techniques will help you improve your speaking, listening, and confidence. So, stay with me till the end. Step 1. Think in English. The first and most powerful way to practice English alone is to think in English. Instead of thinking in your native language and then translating, try to describe everything around you in English. This will help you get used to English words and sentence structures without needing anyone else to talk to. For example, if you are making tea, don't think in your native language first. Instead, think in English. I am making tea. The water is boiling. I am adding sugar. Similarly, if you are walking outside, describe what you see. The sun is shining. The trees are green. The road is busy. This habit will train your brain to use English naturally. The more you practice, the easier it will be to speak without translating. Step 2. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Speaking is the key to fluency. But many English learners don't practice speaking because they feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. Let me tell you something. Mistakes are not bad. They are part of the learning process. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Here's what you can do. Pick any topic and start talking about it aloud. It can be your daily routine, your favorite movie, or even your plans for the day. For example, stand in front of a mirror and say, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth and had breakfast. Then I started watching this video to improve my English." If you feel nervous, pretend you are explaining something to a friend. The goal is to make speaking English feel natural, even when no one is around. Step 3. Use the shadowing technique. Now, here's a technique that language learners use worldwide. It's called shadowing. This method helps improve your pronunciation, listening skills, and fluency. Here's how you do it. Find a podcast, YouTube video, or movie in English. Play a sentence, pause, and repeat it exactly as the speaker says it. Try to copy their pronunciation, speed, and tone. This will help you sound more natural in English. For example, if you are watching an interview and the speaker says, "I love traveling to different countries and meeting new people," pause the video and repeat, "I love traveling to different countries and meeting new people." Try to match their voice and rhythm. This technique is very powerful. If you practice for just 10 minutes a day, your pronunciation will improve quickly. Step 4. Record yourself speaking. Many English learners don't realize how useful it is to record their own voice. When you speak English, you might not notice your mistakes, but when you listen to yourself, you can hear what needs improvement. Here's a simple exercise. Take your phone, open the voice recorder, and start talking about any topic for 1 minute. For example, talk about your favorite hobby. "I love playing football. I play every weekend with my friends. It helps me stay active and have fun." After recording, listen to yourself. Does your pronunciation sound clear? Are you speaking too fast or too slow? Do you need to improve your sentence structure? This practice will help you track your progress and make necessary changes. Plus, the more you record yourself, the more comfortable you will feel speaking English. Step 5. Watch and copy native speakers. Watching English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos is a great way to learn English. But don't just watch, copy. This is called imitation learning. Here's how you can do it. Choose a scene from a movie or a video where people are having a conversation. Pause after every sentence and repeat what they say. Try to copy their tone, expression, and pronunciation. This will make your English sound more natural. For example, if you are watching a conversation where one person says, "Hey, how are you?" and the other replies, "I'm good. What about you?" Stop and repeat these sentences exactly the same way they do. This will improve your fluency and make your spoken English sound more natural. Step 6. Keep a daily English journal. Writing is one of the best ways to organize your thoughts and improve your sentence structure. A great way to practice English alone is by keeping a daily journal. At the end of each day, write a short entry in English about what you did. It can be something simple like, "Today, I went to the market and bought some fruits. The weather was very hot. In the evening, I watched a movie with my family." If you don't know a word, look it up in a dictionary and learn it. Over time, you'll build a strong vocabulary and improve your grammar naturally. Step 7. Use AI and learning apps. Technology is a great tool for learning English. There are many apps and AI tools that can help you practice speaking, writing, and listening. For example, you can use apps like Duolingo or Elsa Speak to improve your pronunciation. You can also chat with AI tools like ChatGPT to practice conversations. Just type a question and the AI will reply in English. This is a great way to practice real conversations without needing a partner. Another fun way is to change your phone's language to English. This will make you read and understand English every day. Conclusion, call to action. So, now you know the best ways to practice English alone at home. Let's do a quick recap. Think in English every day. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Use the shadowing technique to improve pronunciation. Record yourself and listen to your progress. Watch and copy native speakers. Write a daily journal to improve your writing skills. Use apps and AI tools to practice English easily. The best part? You don't need a teacher or a speaking partner to do any of this. If you stay consistent and practice every day, your English will improve faster than you think. Now tell me in the comments, which method will you try first? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning! Close your eyes and just listen to me. Now, before we end this video, I want you to do something very simple. Something that will change the way you think about learning English. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just listen to my voice. Let everything else fade away. No distractions, no worries, just you and the journey ahead. I want you to imagine something. Imagine yourself in a situation where you are surrounded by English speakers. Maybe you're in a cafe in London, ordering your favorite drink. The barista asks, "What would you like?" And without hesitation, you reply, "I'll have a cappuccino, please." Your voice is clear. Your words flow naturally. There's no fear, no nervousness, just confidence. Or maybe you're at an international job interview. The interviewer looks at you, asks a question in fluent English, and you respond effortlessly. You explain your skills, your experience, your dreams, every word coming out smoothly with perfect pronunciation. And guess what? They understand you perfectly. You see them nodding in agreement. impressed by your confidence. And then you hear the words you've been waiting for. Congratulations, you got the job. Now picture yourself traveling to a beautiful country, let's say the United States. You're exploring a new city, meeting new people, making friends from different cultures. You laugh, share stories, and connect with them, not in your native language, but in English. And it feels natural. It feels easy. It feels like you've been speaking English forever. Can you see it? Can you feel it? This is your future. This is the version of you that exists, just waiting to be unlocked. And the key? The key is practice. The key is commitment. The key is to keep going, even when it feels difficult, even when no one is there to guide you, even when you make mistakes, because every mistake is just a stepping stone to success. Now open your eyes, look around you. The journey starts right here, right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. The moment you decide to practice every day, the moment you start thinking in English, the moment you push past your fear, that is the moment you start transforming into a fluent English speaker. You are capable, you are strong, and you can do this. I believe in you. But the question is, do you believe in yourself? Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest challenge in learning English? Which of the techniques in this video will you start using today? I want to hear from you. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, and subscribe back to Pro English Skills for more powerful lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep growing. Happy learning!